Hi everyone, I am Fiona. In today's video, we will test EPS packaging machine before we export to Malaysia. This machine is for EPS Appliance Packaging Industrial, but since we cannot find suitable sample, so we cut the sample from the EPS block. The dimensions are as follows. Length, 1,200 millimeters. Width, 750 millimeters. Height, 500 millimeters. During the testing process, we continuously tested for packaging. Below are the details of the trial run. For more information about the EPS packaging machine, please contact us by email or mobile phone. We will be happy to answer your questions. See you in the next video.